Put all pieces accordingly, exactly like this picture showing. First, place the bike frame with the C tube facing up. Find the rear fork. Connect them and snap it into the place. Find the number 1 shaft, slot it through. Doesn't matter which side. The other side, using a number 1 bolt to connect them. Find the larger wrench to final the connection. Find the yellow piece, that's the shock absorber. There's only one way to put them in. Tilt them and snap into place. Now is the most difficult part. You want to find a nut and carefully slot it into the hole and hold it with your finger so that it doesn't drop. While holding the nut in place, on the other side, you want to use the black long bolt. First, put in the elbow washer. Then use the larger wrench to final the connection. Make sure you don't drop the nut. There you go. Now the most difficult part is behind us. Flip the frame back. Now it is facing upwards. We're installing the foot pedals. There are 4 nuts. Put them in place, doesn't matter which side up. Then find the plastic pedals. Snap them in place. You want to put them both in place before you flip the frame. Flip the frame, then put in this 4 screws. These 4 screws are the same size. They're all number 3. Use a smaller wrench to finalize the connection. Well done. Now we're going to install the front fork. First, put in the bearing. After the bearing is slotted in, then put the frame on top of the front fork. Now we need to install the washer. The black washer has 2 faces. One face has a flat edge. The other side is not so flat. Not so flat faces down. The flat side faces up. Now we're going to snap in the handlebar. There's only one way to put them on. Look at the finalized picture. To make sure you pull the handlebar right side in. Use your hand to snap in plane. Now you will feel a snap. Now the second long black bolt is used. First, put in a washer, then slot in the bolt. Tighten with a larger wrench. There you go. Now find the seat post. Insert the seat post into the frame, then tighten with the smaller wrench. Finally, we will install the wheels. Each wheel has 2 casing pipes. Put the casing pipe down first, then hold these casing pipe, and then snap the wheel into the fork. You may want to pry the fork to fit in. Now we use both large wrenches to finalize the connection. You see why we provided 2 large wrenches. Opposingly, you want to tighten both bolts simultaneously. Once the bolt is tightened, they will not protrude. Likewise, install the other wheel. Congratulations! Well done!